The Welsh Government is proud to launch Network North Wales, a brand new vision to create an integrated, high-frequency transport network across North Wales and the borders. Metro is Go. At its heart, this network will connect people to opportunity, community, and a better quality of life, unlocking economic potential, accelerating delivery now, and aiming boldly for the future. In the next 6 months, more brand new trains will continue arriving as part of our £800 million investment. Across North Wales, 87% of all journeys are now being made on brand new trains. We'll connect the Borderlands line to the community, changing it to the Wrexham-Liverpool line, and rebrand the trains to celebrate the places and people they serve. Within a year, we'll double train frequency between Wrexham and Chester, upgrade stations, and boost TfW services on the North Wales main line by 50%. We'll start the work to further increase frequency between Wrexham and Liverpool. Pay-as-you-go, tap-in, tap-out technology will roll out across the region, while new Metro and Network North Wales visuals will appear on trains, stations, and buses, making the system easier to navigate. Within 3 years, upgrades at Padeswood will unlock more freight and passenger capacity, enabling 2 trains per hour between Wrexham and Liverpool. We'll launch direct services between Llandudno and Liverpool and improve access at stations. Over 5 years, we'll deliver even more new trains and build new stations. We'll also improve connectivity with Manchester Airport. Looking ahead to 2035, we'll electrify the North Wales main line using the latest innovations. We will introduce 4 trains per hour to Liverpool, along with major upgrades at Chester to unlock more capacity. Beyond 2035, we'll build on this ambition, developing metro-style services south of Wrexham, exploring tram train links to key settlements, and build more new stations. We'll improve connections between North and South Wales by electrifying and upgrading the Marches line. Network North Wales connecting into the Northern Arc is a vision for the future that will start delivering now. Join us on the journey.